Did you know that Google Chrome is the most popular web browser in the world? In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily install Google Chrome on any Windows device. We're going to walk through the step-by-step process of downloading and installing Google Chrome, and here's how you're going to do it. So if you just installed Windows 11, you're going to want to open Microsoft Edge, which gets installed by default, or any other browser will be fine. Then we're going to type in Google Chrome, enter. Then we're going to go click on download Google Chrome, click download Chrome. And it should start downloading in the top right, as you can see there. And we're going to just click open file. I say yes to the Google installer. I'm just going to wait for this to finish. Get rid of that. Don't want to be using Edge again. And then we can just open Google Chrome from the desktop. Like so. So you can either sign in with your Gmail account or you can create one and sign in. And I'm just going to say don't sign in. And you can also set it as default. If this is your preferred browser. I'm going to set that as default. And there you have it. Your installation of Google Chrome.